All right, it is 12:14. I got 4 hours to go to get to Jennings. I'm leaving work right now. I got some pizza for the road. Shout out to Cam. I forgot to get gas last night, so I got to go do that, and then we're gonna go hit it. Can't wait to get this race bike out on the track and see how things go. It's gonna be a real steep learning curve. I've only ever done one session on a 4-cylinder at the track, and it was probably 15 years ago. And my total seat time on 4 cylinders is pretty limited, so it's definitely going to be interesting, but I can't wait to get there, so I'm going to get on with it. Alright, so made it to Jennings. Wheels are off the bike, tires are getting put on right now. Kind of sadly ghetto rigged the Solo 2 up here. It's all safety wired on there, shouldn't go anywhere. I don't know how much steering lock I just lost, but once you're rolling on the track you don't need that anyway. So yeah, gonna get these wheels put back on and go to the hotel and call it a night. And then we got 2 private days in a row, 15 riders, open track all day. So if all goes to plan, I wouldn't be shocked if I set a new personal best first time on this bike, but we'll see. First of all, I got to pass the sound test, and hopefully my super ghetto baffle does the job, because that would be a real pain in the ass if I can't ride this thing. So I will see you guys tomorrow. All right, we got bikes on track. It's about that time. Let's see what this thing can do. First time riding the bike, new personal best by a full second. This thing's sick.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do something different.